Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Shopify blog. So the step number one is to go to online store. So from your Shopify admin dashboard, use the left hand navigation menu to find and click online store. So this menu typically shows several options like themes, pages, and navigation. So you will just be looking for the next item in the list that manages content structures. Next step is to click blog posts and then manage blogs. So under the online store, you have to select the blog posts. Then right after that, click the manage blogs link. So it is usually located in the top right corner. So by default, Shopify creates one blog name, news. So you can rename this, or you can also create a completely one for a different type of content. Like for example, company updates versus product guides. And then just click the add blog to create a new one. Next is to set title and comments. So you have to enter a clear title, like for example, the official, and then you have to input there the store name with the blog in the end of the sentence. So crucially, you need to configure the comments settings. So disabled, no one can comment, and then this one is recommended for starting out. And then you also have to enable the or moderate. The comments are automatically posted but can be deleted later. And then enabled moderate first, so you must approve every comment before it goes live. So this one is recommended if enabling comments. And then you just have to remember to save your changes. Next is to draft and publish. So navigate back to the blog posts and click add blog post to start writing. So when creating the post, you have to ensure that you fill in the post, which is the title and the content, a featured image. So this one is highly recommended, and also the excerpt. So this is the summary that appears on the main blog page. And lastly is a target blog. So you just created or renamed. So once done, just click save and verify the post status is set to active to publish it live. Lastly is to update main menu. So go back to online store and then click on the navigation. And then from there, just select the menu, which is usually the main menu. So where you want the blog link to appear. So what you're going to do is just click the add menu item in the link field, and then select blogs, and then choose a specific blog that you created, like for example, the official blog, and then give the menu item a clear name like the blog or our stories, and then save the menu. So your blog is now accessible to the customers. So that's how you set up your Shopify blog. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!